Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I'm going to show you how I clean the injectors housing for the diesel engines. Easy way I do, doesn't need special tool, that I do it sometime. Okay, enjoy watching and please consider pushing the like button. Thank you very much. Enjoy watching. Thanks for watching. Please consider to push the like button. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Have a good day, good night. Please share this video with your friend and comment. See you next time.